Ouch, 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 ouch. Stop doing that. Let's go to file and then go back to home, close to home. Okay, discard if we don't want to change. Right, once you are in the home screen, this is a good beginning point for you to explore. Can you click all templates, which is just here on the right side, all templates, and then you can actually sort by the category, skill level, beginners. Okay, this is a good starting point for beginners. For example, we want to explore any of these templates, we just click on learn more. I'm going to explore the behavior template. You can read the description, and then we can see the video and guide. You can watch some samples of the tutorial here, which is a good starting point. Let's start the project. Now to use this template, you tap on your previewer. Okay, it will change to 3 different characters. Okay, if you look at the object list, click here, behavior example, edit children. Okay, that's a good starting point. Next, we will go to the inspector panel. If the inspector panel is not there, you can reset to the default layout or simply click the panel that you want, which is inspector. On tab change sticker. Okay, let's see what's there. If you look at on tab change sticker, it is triggered by touch event. Okay, so we want to change the event to something else. Let me sort my previewer. Okay, let's have a look. Here the behavior is touch event. We are going to change this to other type of trigger. So focus here, I will change to face event, and the supported expression is mouse open, mouse close, browse raise, browse lower. Okay, so you browse, you choose any of those. I choose browse raise, and then do like that. You see that the character is changing. I'll stop tapping my head. Okay, you change to other type of trigger like mouse open. So the character change every time I open my mouse. Okay, so there are 3 different images: set image to owl, set image to kitty, set image to panda. So if you want to add more, you just add a value and create the proper visual. Okay, if you want to add other effects on this scene, let's try. We can add an object. For example, I will add a hand tracking object. Okay, so now I got a hand tracking object. If I put up my hand, there is a placeholder to put an image. Okay, remember that we can place something on the placeholder. So you locate where is your hand tracking object. It is somewhere here. Hand tracking 0, center, object tracking is 0. If you want to put an image there, check out the properties. Okay, currently the texture is nothing, so we choose a proper image. from files. Okay, so now if you put your hand, I got the MMU logo. Okay, if you want to disable this tapping hint, you can search for the object tab. Okay, the hint here, tap hint. So if you disable this, alright, it stopped. Okay, so that's why we need to rename our object, so it is easier for us to find the object that we want to enable or disable or modify. If you simply put a new object without naming it, then it's difficult for you to find it later. Okay, next, let's say you want to add a 3D object. A 3D object can be added. Let's say you have a 3D file. So what I'm going to add is I will add it as a resources. Okay, here at the resources panel, you can tap on the plus symbol. Sorry if my mouse is not pointing at the correct shortcut. Okay, you add it from file and then find 3D file. FBX is a type of 3D file. If you want to know whether the file is supported or not, it will be here. It's a long list of supported file. Okay. And then the setting of the FBX import will appear. I click import. Okay. So the 3D object is listed under my resources, NBA basketball. Okay, it's here. So I need to place, I need to decide where I want to place my 3D ball. Let's say I want to place it somewhere following my hand. Okay, so I will drag and drop this to my hand tracking. Okay, drop it somewhere here. Okay, instead of dropping the FBX object, you should find this one. Okay. Just now I drag the FBX object. Now I drag the P object and then drop it to my hand tracking. Okay. Okay, let's see whether the ball will appear or not. Okay, I will drop it to you can check your 3D scene whether, let me reset my layout panel, default layout. Okay, let's see. Okay, the ball is somewhere here and you need to make sure that the ball is on your hand. Currently it's not anywhere near my hand. When you insert entry 3D object, you have to fix the coordinate and position. So make sure that the object here, NBA basketball, I drag and drop it to the hand tracking. So now it is listed here. Hand tracking, center, NBA basketball, and this one is actually my MMG logo. I should rename this one MMG logo. Okay, now the basketball, you can check in the seen, okay, the position is quite to the right, so I will track it so it is more to my right. Okay, so there you go. It's a big ball, so I need to resize it. Maybe one. Okay, there you go. The ball is following my hand. Now I have to figure out to make it nearer to my hand. So the position is okay. We have to fix the X and Y. Okay, maybe X coordinate we have to move it a bit. Just guessing. Okay, it's getting nearer. Okay, now I need to fix the Y. Push it up a bit. Okay, now I can play the ball. Okay, and then if I tap, I can make something like this. Oh, okay, you can actually fix the skin of the ball or the material. Okay, for the material of the ball, you check the NBA basketball properties. And then try to find a suitable material for the ball. Okay. To find the material, you have to click. Okay, can you see where I'm clicking? It's under NBA basketball, and then you click once more. Okay, you'll get the properties of the basketball. So currently the material probably doesn't have any particular pattern. This is a common problem when you import a 3D object. Sometimes the material is not mapped correctly. So what you can do is you need to find the material manually, or you can assign a new material. Okay, usually I will assign the material manually. Sometimes you can explore it here, but if it's not here, then you have to edit manually. Plus, and then from files you can add new material instead of the original material. Okay, maybe the original material is not that interesting, so you might want to choose your own material. Okay, that's it. Thank you.